Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see in the title, I am so excited for this because I will be recreating Selena Gomez, kind of like her street style. So I pick up like 5 or 6 pictures and kind of just like copy you know, her look. Like that's what we're gonna recreate her look. So yeah, some of the pieces that I will be wearing today is very affordable, and some of them, like, you can actually probably have it in your wardrobe right now because the picture that I pick for this video is very basic. So yeah, if you want to see like the outfits, then keep on watching. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Don't worry, all the clothing that I wore for today's look, everything from the shoes to the bag, from the top to bottom, everything, I will leave it in the description box if you guys want to check it out. So yeah, basically all the look that I created for this video, like I said earlier, is very basic. Like you actually have some of the pieces probably in your wardrobe right now, so you can just like recreate. Half of this pieces that I select is I already have it in my wardrobe, that's why it's kind of like easier for me, and half of the pieces is I purchased this at Walmart and also H&M, and also some of the shoes are from Amazon or some other stores, which like I said, I'm gonna leave it down in the description box below. So anyways, like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.